Hello students, see page number 8 in your textbook. A chart is given there. Observe the picture shown in the following and write description in the boxes. So this chart is specially related for reasons and preventive measures of dengue. Now we have to complete this chart. So we have to start from what is given here. This is the tank, a water. Yes. So in that tank, it can be used for breeding of mosquitoes in a tank. The reproduction, yes, mosquitoes can breed there in the tank. The reproduction is fast because these mosquitoes lay their eggs in a water. So that's why it shows representation of reproduction, breeding of mosquitoes in tank. Now second, this is the earthen pot, a utensil, man-made utensil where we are keeping water there for drinking. If we cover the mouth, then mosquitoes will not lay eggs there. So that's why we should not keep these utensils or any water tank open. We have to avoid this. So what will come here? The utensils, if open, they accumulate the Aedes mosquitoes eggs there, breeding. That's why utensil accumulation of water in man-made containers causes breeding of Aedes mosquitoes. So if you open such a type of water utensils, then mosquitoes can lay their eggs. Now third, this is the water cooler. We use the water for cooling air so that water will be remain there. So water cooler also spread disease. So what will come here? Water cooler, yes. So we have to remove that water again and again. We have to clean it and we have to cover this water, otherwise it will spread the disease. Next, the next diagram, that is a small baby. The infection of dengue also in small babies. So infection to babies. So what will come here? Infection to babies. Now see in the next picture, here fishes are there in the tank or in the water bodies. If the water tank is there or big water bodies, a container is there or tank is there, so we have to keep the guppies, a fish, type of fish. That guppies can control the larva stage of the mosquitoes. The eggs cannot grow there. So we can use guppies, fishes. Now next picture, what is given? A person who is spraying a insecticides or fumigation. So if we spray the insecticides in our surrounding, yes, then this fumigation kills the mosquitoes and we can avoid the spreading of the disease. So what will come here? Fumigation by insecticides. The next diagram, that is the coil. Already we know mosquito coil. If we burn a mosquito coil, what will happen? The mosquitoes can kill. Yes, they will not remain there, and that's why we can stop. So using the mosquito coil to avoid the mosquitoes. So use of mosquito coil. So again I am explaining you that what will come here. Here reproduction, breeding of mosquitoes in tank. So here utensil accumulate the Aedes mosquitoes if they are open. Here water cooler also spread disease, infection to babies. Guppies can control the breeding of mosquitoes, larva. Fumigation spraying can kill the mosquitoes here, and mosquito coil, burning of mosquito coil can prevent mosquito. So these are the various causes and preventive measures of dengue disease. So I will send the chart again with answers. You can write down in your notebook. Thank you.